Our short phrase and sentence for you today is Igbo onye. Igbo onye. Igbo onye, which means, who are you? Igbo onye. If you ask me this question, my response will be, Abum Mazi Okafo. Abum Mazi Okafo, which means, I am Mr. Okafo. In case this is the first time you are watching this video series, take note of the color of each word. We use color code to identify the individual meaning of each word that makes up the phrase or sentence. This we do to equip you with the tool to be able to write Igbo language in case that is one of your goals. Haven't done that, please repeat this video and learn how to pronounce these words correctly and use it for anyone around you. A wife, a brother, a sister, a friend. Ask the person Igbo onye and expect a response like Abum Jude. And as you do, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss our next upload. Also like and comment so that I can help others to discover this and equip us to serve you better. God bless you.